Hey everybody, it's a Ginger Optimist, and today I'm going to show you how to make South Carolina chicken bog in the Instant Pot. Let's do it. I've added about 3 tablespoons of grapeseed oil to my Instant Pot, and now we're waiting for it to say hot. As soon as it says hot, we're going to begin to saute our chicken breast. Our chicken is sauteed, and now we're going to remove it from our Instant Pot. I'm going to add onions and minced garlic. I'm going to saute that for just a little bit. The onions are starting to look translucent, so now I'm going to add our kielbasa sausage. I chose to use turkey because it's less fat. So we'll let that saute for about 3 minutes. Now I'm going to turn my Instant Pot off. I'm going to add the sauteed chicken back into the pot. Now I'm going to add 32 ounces of organic low sodium chicken broth. I'm going to add 2 cups of white rice. Now I'm going to add black pepper. Let's mix it up. Now I'm going to put it on pressure cook for 10 minutes. Put the lid on, and we're gonna let it do its thing. Our chicken bog cooked for 10 minutes. Now it's done a self-release for 10 minutes, so I'm going to do a quick release the rest of the way. Okay, the little button has dropped down. Oh, that looks amazing. Let's stir it up. I'm gonna add just a little bit more black pepper. Now it's time for a taste test. That is scrumptious. Thank you so much for watching the Ginger Optimist. If you enjoyed this video, I hope you'll hit that like button. And if you're not following me already, I hope you will. Hit the bell if you want to know every time a new video comes out. Thanks again, my friends. See you on the next video. God bless. Bye.